Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Microsoft Store error code 0x80073cf0 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, where it says that something happened and this app could not be installed. Please try again, followed by error code 0x80073cf0. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I'm going to recommend doing is opening up the search menu, type in troubleshoot. Best match should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, you want to select other troubleshooters, and then you want to go underneath other and select where it says Windows Store Apps and then the run button. And then I recommend following along with any suggestions it makes here. And then once that's done, go ahead and close out of here. Let's suggest restarting the computer if you found anything, and then attempt to launch the Microsoft Store. If you're still having a problem, we can also open up the search menu, type in WS Reset. Best match should come back with WS Reset. Go ahead and open that up. And hopefully at this point you should be able to launch your Microsoft Store, and you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.